Good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning histories lesson here, lesson number 5. That is the foundation of Swaraj. This lesson we are learning here, and yesterday I told about the meaning of Shivaji's royal seal. Now, today we will see the next point towards the establishment of Swaraj. How Shivaji Maharaj established the Swaraj in Maharashtra. We'll see that one. See, the fort situated within the Jahagir of Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj were not under his control. What are the forts were there within the Jahagir of the Shivaji Maharaj? All these forts were not under his control. That means what is that? Shivaji Maharaj, what are the Jahagir of the Shivaji Maharaj is there? Within his Jahagir, what are the forts were there? All these forts were not under his control, but if you see, officially they were under control of Adil Shah. In officially Shivaji Maharaj, he looked at that. In those days, forts were of a special significance. In those days, at that time, during the time of the Shivaji Maharaj in the 17th century, forts were the special significance or the importance there at that time. Within a firm hold over a fort, it was possible to control the surrounding area. One who has controlling the fort, that persons can control the surrounding area. For example, if you are looking after any one region or the area there, if you have the control on one fort, then you can be control on the surrounding area or adjacent area of that fort. Neighboring area is also under your control. You can control, you can supervise on the surrounding area. So in those days, forts with a special significance or importance at that time. So most of the persons, the sardars, or the emperors, kings, they wanted to capture more forts there. So with a firm hold over a fort, it was possible to control the surrounding areas there. If one had a fort there, one ruled the land. If you have the fort, then you can rule the land. Like in this belief is there at that time. Suppose if you have any one fort, the surrounding area also you can be rule or you can govern. This situation is there at that time. Surrounding area is also your own Jahagir. Such an attempt to capture the forts amounted to challenging the Adil Shahi power, and Shivaji Maharaj did the darings to be challenged to capture the fort within the Jahagir of Adil Shah, and by capturing these forts, Shivaji Maharaj gave challenge to the Adil Shahi's power there. Now he captured the forts of Torna, Murumdev, Kondhana, and Purandar and laid the foundation of the Swaraj. By capturing these forts, Shivaji Maharaj laid the foundation of the Swaraj. Means Shivaji Maharaj captured the fort which were under the control of Adil Shah, officially under control of Adil Shah. Torna fort was there, Murumdev fort, Kondhana fort, Purandar fort. All these forts were officially under control of Adil Shah, but Shivaji Maharaj, he captured these fort from the Adil Shah, and by capturing this fort he laid the base or the foundation of a Swaraj. He repaired the fort Murumdev. The fort Murumdev he repaired. Shivaji Maharaj repaired that fort and renamed it as a Rajgarh. After the means repairing work of the Murumdev fort, he renamed that fort Murumdev instead of that Rajgarh. Means Murumdev fort was began to call as a Rajgarh after the reparations. Rajgarh was the first capital of the Swaraj, and after that, when he renamed the Murumdev fort as a Rajgarh, after the rename, that Rajgarh forts began to call, it became the first capital of Shivaji's Maharaj kingdom or the Swaraj. Rajgarh became the first capital of the Swaraj. There were Mores of Zawdis there. Here picture is also given there. Mores of Zawdi, the Ghorpades of Muthal, the Savants of the Savantwadi, and the other Sardars in the Adil Shah. Number of the other Sardars were there in Adil Shahi's kingdom: Mores of Zawdis, Gorpades of Mudhol, Savant of Savantwadis, and the other Sardar from the Adil Shahi's court. They were opposed to this cause of founding of Swaraj. So these Maratha Sardar, they did not want that, they did not like that Shivaji Maharaj should be established a Swaraj in the Maharashtra. He should be set up his own independent kingdom in the Maharashtra. So they didn't like this. They oppose in the cause of establishing Swaraj. Who were means there among that? Mores of Zawdi, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Savant of Savantwadis. They opposed to Shivaji Maharaj in his work, and also they told Shivaji's activities to Adil Shahi. They were opposed to the causes of founding the Swaraj. It was necessary to bring them and other like-minded Sardar under control for the purpose of founding the Swaraj. So Shivaji Maharaj realized that, or he felt near that it was necessary to teach them lesson or to bring them under control in the cause of the Swaraj, or to establish the Swaraj. Without to be control, without to be teach them lesson, it is difficult for the Swaraj to be survive, to be exist. So for the sake of the Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj decided to bring them under their control there, or such a like-minded people there, those who were there at that time. So Shivaji Maharaj, he went against them, he fought against them, and he defeated to each and every one. And by defeating, he taught them a lesson. So this much we have seen today. When we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will come with the rest of the part of this same lessons. Till at that time, revise this lesson. Okay, thank you very much.